Hey guys, it's Gemma Cherie. Welcome back to GSL Makeup. Today we're going to be talking about the new Channon Rose lipstick. It's in the colour Cake. What do I think of this? Keep watching to find out. In the meantime, let's sort this out with some foundation and some eyebrows, and then we're going to fill the rest in and finish off with Cake. Okay, now that that's done, what we're going to do is we're going to take our old favourite Modern Renaissance. You say Renaissance, I say Renaissance because I'm Australian. And we're going to go in with, I think it's called Tempera. And we're just going to cover the whole lid with that. And I'm just going to bring you guys in a little bit. And let's go in and just cover the entire lid. Did you guys see my last video with the photo shoot? If not, go check it out because I love filming photo shoots that I do. I don't always do it, I only occasionally do it once or twice a year, but I should do it more. And we're going to go in with Buon Fresco, this one here. And we're just going to make a crease. Use that as a base colour. You know what? Let's go in with Love Letter. This crazy pink here, Love Letter. Bring it. It's weird because people made such a fuss when the Prism palette and the Subculture palette came out because, oh, the fallout. But you know what? There's a lot of fallout in Modern Renaissance as well, and nobody ever bitched and moaned about that. But that's just my observation. It's a great palette. I love it. And I love the velvet on the exterior. Okay, let's darken it up on the outer corner a little bit with something a little bit even stronger. Let's go in with the Venetian Red. Oh, I love this palette so much. It's so nice. I really want to incorporate this antique bronze in, so I'm just going to change up my brush to a smaller fluffy brush, this one right here, just a little one. And I want to use this antique bronze here, which is a shimmer shade. And I'm just going to pop that in on the outer corner, just to intensify and darken. And we're intensifying the crease on the outer part of the eye. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more. Oh, actually, I'm going to use this one, this Vermeer colour. Very, very light, creamy toned pearlescent shimmer. And I'm just going to put that underneath the brow. And on the inner corner. And one thing I'd really like to do is grab another flat brush. So I'm grabbing one of the brushes from, you know those brushes that you get with the Naked palettes, the double-ended ones. So I'm just going to use the small part of that. I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on the center of my eye. Okay, just putting a little bit on the back of my hand. And we're just going to put a little bit on the center of the eyelid, just to make that pop. I'm going to use the other side to blend it. And the same on the other eye. Center and blend. Let's use the Vermeer again. That one again. I'm going to take another flat brush, and I'm just going to really pack that onto where we just put that concealer. If you want to, you can add a little bit of setting spray to the brush before you do that if you want it to really, really stand out. And just settling that in there. So I'm just going to put a little bit of brown eyeliner, just with a pencil, on the outer corner of my bottom lash line, just to open up the eyes a little and to give them a little bit of a smoky effect. And we're going to go in with a pencil brush, and I'm going to use a mixture of the Buon Fresco and a Love Letter. Tap it and just really lightly smoke it out. Let's go in with a little wing, or a big wing, it's up to you. I'm just going to use the e.l.f. Cosmetics liquid liner. Okay, so we're just going to go in and curl the lashes. But before I put on the mascara, let's do some blush. Okay, I'm going to go in with this one. This is like one of my favorites at the moment. It's just by Savvy. You can get it from Priceline. It was really cheap. It was like, I can't remember how much it was, but it was like, I don't know, $7? It was like super cheap, and it's really nice. Let's go in with some highlighter. What are we going to use? Ooh, I know what we'll use. Let's use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's the Jeffree Manny collaboration. This one's called Eclipse. This is what it looks like. It's a very pretty, very, very light mauve. But it doesn't matter because we're coming to the focal point of the video, which is the Channon Rose lipstick. Now let me tell you about this lipstick. So first of all, I bought my own and then I got sent one. So I actually have two. This is what the lipstick looks like. It's in a beautiful box. The details of the lipstick are on the back, and it's got the cruelty-free vegan symbol. It's also got all of the, I was going to say instructions. It's got all of the ingredients on the back as well. So you open it up and there's the lipstick. It says Channon Rose, and then across the top it says, it's kind of her tagline that she uses. She, at the end of her videos, she always says, wishing you all, what does she say again? Sending you all my love and positive energy. If you don't know who Channon Rose is, she's a YouTuber. She actually has 3 channels. She's got a channel called Channon Rose, which is where she does her, she does a lot of like storytime videos about her life. She's got a very colourful past. She's done a lot in her life. And a lot of the stories that she tells are about pretty crazy stuff that she's done. And I think she tells them so that she can educate people, so that they can see from her experiences what sort of consequences can come from doing the things that she's done. Then she has another one called Channon Rose Vlogs, and that's the one I mostly watch. I watch it pretty much as soon as she uploads. I usually watch it in the morning. She and her husband Travis, they pretty much just share everything of their life. Everything from renovating their house, buying their house, their IVF struggles, health issues, what they eat in a day, they're vegan, everything. You just see everything of their life, and it's really, really interesting. It's also kind of scary because she's got millions of people watching her, and she's a part of their life. She's a part of their everyday life, and they all love her. And then she doesn't know any of us. You know what I mean? Like, we feel like we're really close to her, but she doesn't really know any of us. So that's sort of just a really weird concept. But check her out. She's very, very interesting. Her third channel, by the way, is Rose Beauty. It's just because she's a really big makeup lover, and she just does makeup tutorials and product reviews and that kind of thing. So a few months ago, she announced that she was coming out with a lipstick, and the brand that she's done the lipstick with is IGXO. IGXO. The website is igxocosmetics.com. She's actually come out with 2 lipsticks. As far as I know, they're the same formula. There is one in this colour, which is called Cake, and it's a nude colour, and then there's a red one as well, and I think that one's called Cult. It's got a really pretty packaging. The lid is a rose gold colour. So I'll just swatch it on my hand for you. I'll probably make a big mess of this because I can't see what I'm doing. That's the colour. I would describe this colour as an amber nude, or a coral nude actually. It's beautiful. The formula itself is quite thin, but it's very, very full coverage. I don't know how much you get in it. In my glasses. Oh man, I can't read it. 3 something Oz. It's either 1 Oz or 1.1 Oz or 11 Oz. Now I'm not American, so I don't know about Oz's, because I'm from Oz. It's just regular liquid lipstick size. It's just normal size. That's a Jeffree Star size. That's a Channon Rose size. So about the same really. Let's try it on. I do love this lipstick. I've been using it for a couple of weeks and I do love it. Okay, let's have a look. The applicator is like a flat dough foot, if that makes sense. It goes on very glossy, but it dries matte. Made a big mess because I was talking and applying. That's okay, we'll just overdraw. Oh god, I've just made the most dry mess. I can't talk and do lipstick. Now, every time that I've used this, I don't feel you need a second coat. I just don't. I always feel that just the first coat is enough. The only thing with this, you do need to let it dry for quite a few minutes. I would say probably actually about 5 minutes, which is quite a long time. I mean, it looks nice, you know, before that, but if you want it to really dry down matte, it does take quite a while. When it does dry down, it's not completely kiss proof. I don't know if that's an issue for you. It's not one for me, frankly. But it's not a fully matte lipstick. It's very, very moisturizing. It almost feels like a lip balmy. You know that feeling when you put chapstick on? I love this lipstick. I'm not sure what else I can say about it, to be honest with you. I find that this colour is very comparable to a lipstick that I did the other day on a video called First Love by Lip Sense. They're very, very similar. Now, the difference is between those two, the Lip Sense is very, very chemically smelling. I didn't even tell you the best part about this lipstick. Oh my god. It smells so nice. It's like, it's addictive. It just has this beautiful, beautiful smell. It smells like cake. It's called Cake and it literally smells like cupcakes. It has the most sweetest, most beautiful, it makes you just want to eat a cupcake. It's like the icing. It's like pink icing on a cupcake. It's so, so nice. It's so nice. I wish you could smell this. Apparently the red one smells like roses. This one smells like cake. I love it. And I really hope that they restock this because I know that the first round sold out. I would really like to repurchase this. It stays on really, really well. I think I have worn it to work and for 8 full hours I have not had to reapply it one single time. Yeah, it's starting to really dry down now. See that? It's losing the gloss. It's starting to get more matte now. Yeah, I don't know what else I can say about this product. I love it. I really, really do. Well done, Channon. Well done, Travis. Looking forward to seeing if you do any more of these colours. So you've got the nude, you've got the red. It'd be really nice to see like a hot pink or a plum, maybe even something a little bit crazy like a, I don't know, like a purple or something like that. Or maybe even a really beautiful like dark nude with like a copper shimmer to it or something like that. That would be really, really nice too. So this is the Channon Rose lipstick. You can get it from igxocosmetics.com. In America it's $16.50. I had to pay shipping costs, which did make it quite a bit more expensive to here in Australia, but if you live in America, $16.50, it's really not that much for a lipstick, considering I often pay, what, $40 something for a MAC lipstick? Anyway, it's worth your money, and it smells like cake. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to wrap it up here. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more from me, and I'll see you soon. Bye!